Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss nouns. As you know, naming words are called nouns, and there are two types of nouns. One of them is singular, and second is plural nouns. Okay, today we will discuss about singular nouns and plural nouns. A noun is said to be singular in the singular number if it is referred to one person or thing. It means if there is a one person or thing, it is called singular. And if a noun is said to be plural, if it refers to more than one person or thing, then it is called plural noun. Now take some examples. The noun girl, the nouns girl, doll, bus, knife, baby, photo are singular because they indicate single person or things. The nouns girl change into girls, dolls, buses, knives, babies, photos are plural because in the first sentence, in the first noun girl indicate only single girl, but we write girls, then we can understand not a single girl but more than one. So we can call it plural nouns. Similarly, doll, dolls, bus, buses, and so on. Now, only countable nouns can have a plural form. जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उनके ही प्लूरल फॉर्म बना सकते हैं. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड formation of plurals. First, we have the following rules to change singular nouns to plural. Most of the nouns like read please, book singular, boy, cow, dog, flower, girl, horse, kite, train, tree, window, ear. And now these all are singular, and we want to change these into plural. Only we are to add s, book, add s, and we will read as books, boys. Only we are to add s. Cow, add s, cows. And door, doors. Flower, flowers. Girl, girls. Horse, horses. Kite, kites. Train, add s, trains. Tree, trees. Window, windows. Ear and ears. So, in brief, we can say if we want to change singular noun into plural noun, we are to add s. This is the first rule. Let us take the second rule. Noun ending in a letter like S, double S, SH, CH and X. Only you have to understand if there is a noun and end with S or double S or SH or CH and X. Only we have to add ES. There are some examples like A double S, us, bench, box. Here the first noun, the last letters are double S. In the bench, the last letters are C and H. Box, BOX, the last letter ends with X. Brush, last letters, two last letters ends with SH. Bus, last letter ends with S. Bus, last two letters are SH. Church, last two letters are CH, and so on. So we can understand if the last single letter S or X and double letter last double S, SH, CH. Now we can add ES to make plural noun. So in all singular nouns we can add ES. Okay. Rule number 3. Most nouns ending in O like buffalo, hero, mango, mosquito, torpedo, potato, and we can watch that these nouns have last letter O. So only we are to add es to make a plural nouns. However, some nouns that end in O form, they are plural in the normal way like bamboo, dynamo, photo, pino, stereo. Only we are to s to make plural nouns. Bamboos, dynamos, photos, pinos, stereos. Okay? Rule number 4. Noun ending in F and FE. Change F or FE into VES. Okay? So we can understand if a noun, the last letter of the noun F or FE, we are to change into VES. Or we can say in place of F or FE, we have to put VES. Let's take an example. Calf, CALF. Half, HALF. Knife, KNIFE. LEF, leaf. The last letter, first F, in second F, in third FE, and last leaf F. In place of F or FE, we are to put VES. Calf, CALVES, HALVES, KNIVES, halves, knives, leaves. Life, love, self, thief. Wife, wolf. Life, the last letter of life is LIFE. The last two letters are the last two last two letters FE. So we are to remove FE and put VES. LOAF, here is the last letter F and we are to remove F and put VES. Self. The last letter of self is F, and we are to remove F and put VES in place of F. Thief, and the same, and so on. Okay, now it is clear. However, some words ending in F form their plural in normal way, we are to add F. Chief, draft, gulf, hoop, proof, roof, and add only S. Rule number 5. Noun ending in a consonant plus Y, change the Y into IES. Army, baby, city, country, and so on, the given. The last letter of the noun is Y, and before the Y there is a consonant, then we are to remove Y and put IES in place of Y, and then it is called plural. And all we can do like the first, and so on. Rule number 6. Noun ending in a vowel plus Y, only add S. Take example: boy, donkey, joy, and so on. And now the last letter of boy is Y, and before Y there is a vowel, so only we are to add S. Thank you. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. Now we take foot, goose, louse, man, mouse, washerman, and so on, tooth and woman. Now in the first noun, double O is double O, we can see double OR the vowel, double O also in the second noun. So in place of double O we are to change into double E. Louse we will change into lice. Main change into main. A in place of E. It means जो यहाँ पर बीच के मिडिल लेटर ए है या कोई सा वोवल है उसको हम चेंज कर देते हैं. जैसे ए की जगह आपने क्या रखा, इन प्लेस ऑफ ए वी चेंज इनटू ई. माउस, माइस, वॉशरमैन, MAN change into MEN. TOOTH, tooth change into double E, teeth. Woman change into A into E. Rule number 8. Nouns consisting of several words add S to the main word. Singular noun, commander in chief, maid servant, mother-in-law, change into commanders in chief. Maid servant, we will write maid servants. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Passerby, passers-by. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Remember that the plural of men servant is men servants. The rule number 9. The plural of the ox is oxen. We have to understand always. If there is a noun ox, and if we want to change into plural, we have to write oxen. And similar, child change into children. Child is singular, and if we want to change into plural, we have to write children. And there are some nouns, they have both forms: deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score, and hundreds. have the same form in the singular and as well as the plural. For example, the wolf killed a sheep. It means they have both form, singular and plural form. Okay, the rest of the nouns we will understand in the next class. It means tomorrow. Okay, bye. See you again and thank you very much.